This is the Voyage VR9000 CB radio. This radio was manufactured by Ranger RCI. As you can see, it has a frequency display and the regular channel. Indicator. It is an all-mode radio, CW, frequency modulation, amplitude modulation, upper sideband and lower sideband. So it has it all. Radio so has the squelch and volume. Then there is the an echo possibility. This is the echo speed, this is the echo volume. I will demonstrate it to you later. There is a built-in Vswr meter. The center knob is to calibrate that. The outer knob is to set the RF power, output power. There is a band switch, different bands. And there is of course the clarifier. As you can see, it covers plus minus and 5 minus. So you can get in between the channels with this one. There is a Roger beep, noise blinker and A&L can be turned on and off. You can turn off the display for the frequency counter. There is a 10kc up. That is for the alpha channels. I'll show that to you. This is 3 is 26985. 4 skips 20 kilohertz, as you can see, 27005. That's just the way the CB band works. There is a 3 alpha channel, a 7 alpha, an 11 alpha, and a 19 alpha, and a 15 alpha. So this allows you to get there. So we're now at 26985. When I press this, I'm at 26995, which is the alpha channel. And the same is true for 7. Now I'm on 7 alpha. And so on and so on. There is a bit of propagation today. Radio works quite well. Also an amplitude modulation. Back to single sideband. Looks quite well. Show you the performance of the transmitter. For that we'll switch to the dummy load. I have a ham radio here at 27385, which is channel 38. Give a shout on the microphone. A little bit loud. One, two, three, volts. 1, 2, 3 volts. Lower sideband. That works quite well. Switch to upper sideband. One, two, 3 volts. This radio has the slider opened up. As you can see, the slider is opened up. If I set this at 385 exact. I can tune that here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
A little bit difficult with one hand. Let's go to amplitude modulation. We're at AM now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'll show you the echo.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing.
Kind of cool. Radio puts out
About 14 watt carrier.
14 watt carrier on amplitude modulation. On the sideband it is about 28 watts. As you can see, we have a 50 watt slug, so the full scale is 50 watts and the total is 27-28 watts at peak. That comes from two MRF 520 MOSFETs. It has two MOSFETs in the PA. Let's go to frequency modulation. Where's frequency modulation now? Okay.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
As you can see, the echo works there as well.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3.
If we go the other way around.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Frequency modulation.
Works quite well. We'll turn the echo off again.
1, 2, 3. Frequency modulation without echo.
The power is the same as the AM power. It's limited to 14 watts to prevent it from getting too hot. So that all works nice. We'll go back to the antenna again. This is the upper band.
The name is Victor. Victor. The name here is Victor. I hope to hear you again, Chris. So take care. It's sounding good, man. It's sounding good. By the way, I'm working a D104 with an old-time.
Happy New Year to you there from 051 Operator Poncho, Moore, Minnesota.
Okay, I think it's in Portal 051. Yeah, we don't have snow, we have sunshine, but no snow. About 60 degrees, baby. Roger?
The Voyage VR9000 made by RCI. Very nice radio. This particular one is almost like brand new. It's not a scratch on it. I do not have the original microphone, but this one works quite well. A generic CB microphone. Good radio. Thank you for watching this video.
CQ near 1.04 Barbados.
Show you the power at the other bands. Go back to the dummy load. So this is the regular CB band. This is 40 channels up. About the same. This is the top of the band. Let's go to the lower band. Band B. You should see at the lower bands the power drops off significantly. This is band A. The reason for that is not because the radio has a problem. The reason for that is this radio does not have vector tuning in the RF stages. So that means that when you go too low, the output power starts to drop. It works, but at reduced power, and that is just something that these Voyages have. Because like I said, if you look at the schematic diagram, you can see it. There is no vector tuning in the receiver front end, and there is no vector tuning in the transmitter driver stages. So if you want to have the radio at the lower bands or the higher bands, you need to adjust it for that. I didn't do that. This is still factory original, but you certainly could do that if you prefer these lower frequencies, or maybe even the high bands. You can hear it is peaked for the regular CB band by the manufacturer. It works quite well on the other bands, except band A and B are a little bit on the low side, but it does work. So it's better than no bands at all, I guess.
We will wave right back there to you, and I appreciate it. Likewise, you're doing a fine job out here on the central coast of Cali. Take care, my friend. 73 is Bill New. Wave to you out there on the bend 2. Motor of all those one undermodulated station out here on the central coast of California.
Dixon Morgan in the swamp is definitely getting over 88. Hey, Doug Plucker, man, getting over just about anything right about now. Getting a whole lot of you coming through, man, but I don't know who that is. Sounding good this way, either way. 131 waving out here, down to your little Suburban, come on.
What do you call them? The Timex out there on Indiana somewhere playing a little bit of music for our enjoyment. But I'll tell you what, if you're going to play music out here, you got to do it with some sort of...
What type of signal am I putting on you here?
Vswr 9000. Excellent radio. Thank you for watching.
Okay.
9 Yankee Bravo 283, and the operator name is Rob. The handle on this side is Roger. Romeo Oscar Golf Echo Radio, and we're transmitting from the holiday QTH. Transmitting from the holiday location in Valencia, southeastern part of Spain. And you're coming at a Santiago 23, Radio 23, just with the QRM, just with the noise I have here on the frequency. Rob, in Canada, this is Oscar Tango, 77 Roger, returning, over.
Okay, Roger. QSL, we've got you in the logbook there. Yeah, very good. You're about 1 and 3 here. 1 and 3. QSL?
Gentlemen, stand by. A little bit of patience. The last level was negative. You have been overmodulated by another operator. Yankee Bravo 283, go ahead.
Okay, Roger. Your signal here is 3 and 1. 3 and 1, but I do have a copy on you. QSL?
Roger, Roger. Thank you for the 3 and 1. Thank you for the 3 and 1. Maybe I can turn my antenna a little bit more to north. We were pointing over central of the state. Now we are pointing northern over Newfoundland. That is up.
Yeah, okay, QSL, Roger. I have a copy on you there. You want it?